So we have this sweet shelter up and looks nice and perfect, right? But a pallet on the ground with some hay is not going to be the long-term solution for these goats. So what we're going to do is make a bed or a platform across the back here, and it should be pretty easy. What we're going to do is mount a couple 2x6s across, and then we'll just use like the same board siding on the top and give it a little bit of support. We provide new content every Friday. You're gonna wanna drop down below, hit subscribe. That way you're notified when there's new videos and progress on the shed. So with this platform being about 10 feet long, I went with the 2x6s because I don't want it to sag over time. And then in the middle, since we're using the 1x8 board siding, which is actually about 3/4 of an inch thick, so it's gonna sag. So that's why we're making a support in the middle. I just used some 2x4s. We're gonna have 3 braces, 1, 2, 3, and then 2 5-foot pieces in the middle, and that should prevent sagging. It's all done, nice and sturdy, downward. Goes forward and backward a little bit because there's no support in the middle, but that's not going to affect the weight that's on it. Now what we're going to do next is use the 1x8 board and just go along like this. We're going to cut 2-foot strips and it should be pretty quick. Don't really want to be sitting in the rain, so I'm going to try to cut 2 at a time, 2-foot sections. Only have to do that twice. See if we can get this done. We got all of our boards cut. Why don't we get these down and see if we can let these goats run around up here. Shouldn't take too long. We just need about a half a piece over here on the end, so I'm just gonna rip that and then we'll rough it in with pencil after I rip it to the rough dimensions. It's not perfectly straight, as you can see, but it is a goat bench. So you just gotta choose how much time you want to spend on it. After all, they're gonna jump up there and just poop all over it. So for me, it doesn't have to be perfect. For you, it might, but you can just hire somebody if you want that. Not bad at all for rough cuts. I don't care if it's right up against the board. It'll do. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add just a back piece to fill this gap in. Make sure, you know, all the straw we put up on here isn't gonna get kicked off. It's also gonna give it a little bit more of a finished look. Maybe that's what you're looking for, maybe not, who knows. You're gonna wanna drop down below, hit subscribe. That way you're notified when there's new videos and progress on the shed. See you next time on Break Free Homestead.